with the mousy hair. But her mommy is yelling no, and her daddy has told her to go. But her friend is nowhere to be seen. Now she walks through her sunken dream to the seat with the clearest view, and she's hooked to the silver screen. But the film is a saddening bore, for she's lived it 10 times or more. She could spit in the eyes of foes as they ask her to focus on sailors fighting in the dance hall. Whoa, man, look at those cavemen go. It's the freakiest show. Take a look at the long man beating up the wrong guy. Whoa, man, wonder if he'll ever know he's in the best-selling show. Here's a life on Mars. It's on America's tortured brow that Mickey Mouse has grown up a cow. Now the workers have struck for fame. Kiss Lennon's on sale again. See the mice in their million hordes, from Ibiza to the Norfolk Broads. Rule Britannia's out of bounds. To my mother, my dog and clowns. But the film is a saddening bore, 'cause I wrote it 10 times or more. It's about to be writ again, as I ask you to focus on sailors fighting in the dance hall. Whoa, man, look at those cavemen go. It's the freakiest show. Take a look at the lone man beating up the wrong guy. Whoa, man, wonder if you'll ever know he's in the best-selling show. Here's a life on Mars.
Prosit, Rita Paċ, kanzunetta sabiħa dik, bellezza, bellezza,
Ta'
bellezza.
kantant vera li nħobb li huwa David Bowie.
Bellezza.
U hawnhekk ġiet it-tifla wkoll Isara.
Aħna familja waħda ġbera,
Eżatt.
kien anka ma' telespettaturi.
Eżatt, u nixtieq minn qalbi ngħid prostetik il-dak il-tfajjel żgħar li kanta qabli
Sem, mhux vera.
Ħafna bravu, ħafna
M'għandix
bravu.
dubju li Sem sera ħafna qlub bħalissa mal-Maltilla u ċin kollha u vera bravu, vera bravu u kanta tajjeb.
Anka aħna l-kbar kultant titgerfex.
Tinsalik il-klim xi kultant.
Għaseb wara tifel żgħir u nnexxinu jitallima kollha, vera bravu.
Proset.
U